Rekha Gupta. Welcome to my channel, The Life Psyche. So today I'm going to talk about some of the major psychological disorders. So let's start by first group of psychological disorders, which is called anxiety. Now anxiety in layman term, everyone seems to know what anxiety is. But anxiety, if defined according to APA, it is the negative mood state which is characterized by bodily symptoms of physical tension. Simply put, that you feel some changes in your body and you feel uneasiness regarding those changes. For example, increased heart rate, palpitations, sweating, dizziness, etc. And by apprehension about the future, which means that you always have a vague and unpleasant feeling regarding your future. So now anxiety, everyone in their lives daily feel anxious at some point or the other. But when it causes distress, and so much distress that you can't even carry out your daily day-to-day functioning, which means it impairs your functioning, then it is characterized as a disorder. Now anxiety consists of the following types, which are generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, and phobic disorders. Now phobic disorders in itself consists of three phobias, which are specific phobia, social phobia, which is also called social anxiety disorder, and agoraphobia. Now we'll look at these disorders one by one. So generalized anxiety disorder is characterized by prolonged, vague and intense fear related to number of different events or activities. So generalized anxiety disorder में there is no specific event or object जिसके लिए आपको डर लगेगा. There may be any circumstance, any event, and you will feel anxious related to that. It is also referred to as basic anxiety disorder. Now moving on to panic disorder. Panic disorder is characterized by occurrence of panic or anxiety attack which are recurrent in nature. तो पैनिक अटैक्स अगर किसी को बार बार आ रहे हैं by being in a particular situation और किसी भी चीज़ में, then it is characterized as panic disorder. And these panic attacks should be unexpected in nature. That means आपको पता नहीं है कि ये पैनिक अटैक कब आने वाले हैं. They come unexpectedly and they may come even while you're resting or at sleep. Now the third category of anxiety disorder is phobias. Phobias क्या होते हैं? They are irrational fears. Irrational in the sense कि उनका कोई logic नहीं होता. You can't give any rationale behind those phobias. So they are irrational fears which are related to specific object, person or situation. वो fears जिनका कोई rational नहीं होता and they are related to some specific object, event or situation. There are three kinds of phobias which are specific phobia, social phobia and agoraphobia. Specific phobia is a fear which is triggered by the person or specific object or situation, and this lead to significant distress. So specific phobia में आपको किसी एक specific चीज़ से डर लगेगा. For example, a person has fear of enclosed spaces, which is also called claustrophobia. So a claustrophobic person is afraid of enclosed spaces, be it lift or any other enclosed space, and the person will try to avoid those enclosed spaces. So वो person lift की जगह सीढ़ियाँ ले लेगा, या वो person lift की जगह कुछ और use कर लेगा, elevator, but not the lift. So claustrophobia में person is afraid of only one specific thing which is called enclosed spaces. उस इंसान को किसी और चीज़ से डर नहीं लगेगा. Now let's talk about social phobia. Here the fear is triggered by one or more specific social situation. तो जब आप किसी social situation में होते हैं and आपको सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, distress, uneasiness, palpitations, आपको लगता है कि आप उस situation में नहीं रह पाएंगे, that is when it is called social phobia. The fear here mainly centers on evaluative judgments by others or negative judgments by others. तो अगर आप किसी पार्टी में जाते हैं, आपको डर लगता है कि लोग आपको जज करेंगे and they may judge you negatively. That's when it's called social phobia. तो यहाँ पर डर होता है related to a social situation जहाँ पर भी evaluation की possibility होती है. तो in a class where students might evaluate you or in a PTM meeting where teachers might evaluate you, or any other space जहाँ पर भी लोग हैं and आपको evaluation का डर है, उसे social phobia कहते हैं. Then comes agoraphobia. Here the fear is triggered by any or every open places. तो कोई भी open place हो सकती है वो. So the moment you step out of your houses, you start feeling anxious, you start trembling, you start sweating, etc., etc. So that means people with agoraphobia are even afraid to step out of their houses because so open places तो पूरे world में ही हैं. There is no escape from the world, which means कि जो लोग agoraphobia के साथ deal करते हैं, they are not even able to get out of their comfort spaces, that is their bedroom. So I've just given a gist of these anxiety disorders. If you study these disorders in detail, you'll find that there are many other features which characterize a particular disorder. But for now, I've given a simple understanding of these disorders along with their definitions. I'll meet you in the upcoming videos with other disorders. So please subscribe to my channel, like my video and leave a comment below. Stay safe, stay healthy.